Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any government or central regulatory authorities. As a concept, cryptocurrency works outside of the banking system using different brands or types of coins. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. In an ideal world, it would take a person about 10 minutes to mine one Bitcoin, but in reality, the process takes an estimated 30 days. The people running these programs are miners and have an incentive, a competition with a monetary reward. They race against each other to batch together a block of transactions. This competition does two things: provides an incentive for people to maintain the network, and is the mechanism through which new coins are created. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. Exchanges or platforms like Coinbase are the easiest ways to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Anybody can download and run these software programs in special computers. They are open source programs. The database where transactions are recorded, usually called the ledger, is therefore visible publicly to anybody. There is a lot of hype around Bitcoin. Some people claim it will become the world's reserve currency. Some fashion it as the new gold. Some people simply think it will keep rising in value and make anybody who holds it rich. Some people think it's a fad or Ponzi scheme. Whether cryptocurrency is the future of money or not, one thing is clear: it isn't advisable for anyone to invest in it without doing enough research. Investing in cryptocurrencies is not a new phenomenon, but with the recent surge in popularity and value, coupled with falling returns on bank deposits, more people are looking for cryptocurrency advice. Cryptocurrencies are also highly volatile, So it's recommended to start small and diversify your investments. Simply put, do not place all your eggs in one basket. As a beginner, it helps if you initially rely on expert advice and gradually grow your own expertise by researching the subject. For this type of research to be successful, it's also important to develop understanding of your country's historic and current policies on cryptocurrency. And as always, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Of course, you all would have easily understood. If my video helped you understand, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.